Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Jim Jankowski Explains Random Things Dumbly. Okay, so for today, we're going to be talking about polynomials. Yeah, polynomials, you heard me right. That's pretty cool, right? So polynomials, so first, what is a polynomial, okay? So polynomial is, here is an example right here. So I'm going to explain what it is. So first, we're going to dissect this word. So poly, some of you may know, it means multi or whatever. So it just means more than one. So you like have this and you have this, but like there's more. So it's not one. So it's multiple. And then nomial is like number or I actually don't know what it means. Number. All right. So these are multiple things. So this is a polynomial. So polynomials are a string of numbers and variables that have multiple terms. So there's polynomials, there's monomials, there's binomials or whatever. There's trinomials, and you'll probably only get to hear, I mean, there's quadnomials and quintuplets, I think. But this is usually like all you'll see said. So monomials only have one term, binomials only have two terms, and trinomials only have three terms. So what is a term, you may ask? So a term has multiple definitions, but the math term is a series of, you can have a coefficient and then variable or variables, and then they're separated by a plus or minus sign. So here in this polynomial, this beautiful trinomial here, we have three terms. So we have plus, so we have this term first, and then this term second, whatever how you spell that, and third term. So these are each terms, and this is separated by a plus, and this is a minus. So these are all terms. So polynomials, you can do multiple things with them. So you can factor. Factoring is cool, unless when it's not, because, yeah, factoring. So you can factor, you can add, or subtract. So you can subtract polynomials. That's kind of hard. I might explain in another video. But today we're going to be looking at multiplication, specifically of binomials. So stay tuned. You get the point. 4, and this is probably the hardest one. You can divide them. So this is the hardest, but I'm going to explain why if I do another video on this. So binomials, yes. So what we're going to be doing is multiplying two binomials, and I'm going to be showing you how to get that. All right, binomial. So binomial times another binomial. So the binomials today, let's think. Okay, we're going to be doing x plus 5 times x minus 3. Yes, this is much better. So this problem, you can see there are two terms. So first term, second term, first term, second term. They're separated by a plus sign and a minus sign. So we have a variable, a constant, a variable, and a negative constant. So what are we going to do here next? Well, okay, I'm getting to that. Stop. Why are you so impatient? Stop that. Bob, I know you're watching. Okay, FOIL, yes. So this is a strategy you can use. It's FOIL. It's an acronym, like an acorn. Never mind, I don't know where I got that from. FOIL, yes. So this stands for first, outer, inner, like inner city, New York, and last. So what you have here is a set of numbers. So what you want to multiply first is first. You see what I did there? All right, first. So what is first? The x terms. So look, you have x and x, and guess what? They're first. Wow. So x times x is x squared. So we're just going to do that. So this, check, big check, not what I get on my grade card. All right, next, outer. So we have outer. So what's on the outer? We have the first x, and then we have the -3. So what is that? It's minus 3x, because that's what it multiplies to. Yeah. All right, put a big check. Inner. So what we have next is inner. So it's these two. So we have positive 5 times x, so we get plus 5x. Math. Anyways, finally, we have last. So we have, what's last? The two constant terms, plus 5 and minus 3. So that is equivalent to -15, because there's a negative sign in there, and it's sad. Anyways, so now we have here. So what do we do now? So we add the common term thing. So x squared, it doesn't have any friends. It's lonely in life, like me. So we have x squared. Next, we have these two x terms. So these can be combined. So it's 5 minus 3, which is obviously 7. No, just kidding, it's 2. So plus 2x, and then we finally have the -15. Now this is your answer. Congratulations. Yeah, unless I do another video explaining parabolas and quadratics and factoring, and then you're not done. I'm saving this for another time. Okay, I have school tomorrow.